Welcome to Heatshield Products. I'm Shane. This is Steve.
And how's it going, America? Here today to talk to you about one of our cooler products. That is our Cat Armor Kit. It's designed to go on both OEM and aftermarket catalytic converters. It'll reduce the heat up to 70%. Real easy, do-it-yourself install. You only want to cover about half of a catalytic converter, about 50, maybe 60%, because you don't want to over-insulate it and shorten the life. And as we all know, cats are not cheap right now. So, here's Shane.
In our Cat Armor kits, there's two versions. Yeah, 1-pack and a 2-pack. 1-pack's obviously for 1, 2-pack's for 2 catalytic converters. So you'll get either 1 or 2 pieces of our Heatshield Armor, and then you also get a little package of the washers, the rivets, and then the lacing hooks, along with some wire to get that all on there. There is another version of these kits available without the rivets and the wire. That comes with our thermal ties. So it's just your choice. First thing we're going to do is measure this cat to see how big we need to cut our Heatshield Armor. Just what's facing the body of the car, or your floorboard, whatever you're trying to shield. Make sure you degrease, because if you have a contaminated pipe or you're just covered with oil and you cover it up, you're going to obviously get some questions. So to use a brake cleaner and just give it a good wipe. We're going to do a cut of 6 3/4 by 7 inch, and we're cutting an inch extra on both sides. We're going to remove a little bit of the insulation and then fold that over, and we'll have a nice kind of sealed edge, and that way it won't you won't have any like ugly looking edges. I'll be right back. I'm back.
Cool.
There we go. You're gonna end up with something that looks like that, like a little symbol.
Catalytic converter.
Catalytic converter. I got one of those in my car.
Yeah. Once again, America, if you're looking for the best way to stop that heat coming off your catalytic converter, these work great on Jeeps, off-road vehicles, on-road race cars. It's a lot lighter than it looks. It's rugged. Great way to replace it for a factory cat, aftermarket cat. Thank you for watching. Part numbers, descriptions will all be down below in the link. You can check out a video here and here. And
Not
thank
here,
you.
but here.
Yeah. Thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, add some comments in there. We want to hear back from you. What do you want to see next? And what we can do to make it better? Thank you again.